Hello friends and welcome back to Engineering CAD Design and Prototypes. Today we're going to create this part using SolidWorks according to this drawing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. So select File, New, Part and press OK. Go to Front Plane, Sketch, take line, start from the origin. Okay, let's define it. Smart dimension. This is for 16 millimeters. This one is for 5 millimeters. This one is for 12 millimeters. This is for 8 millimeters. This is for 19 millimeters and 10 millimeters. Okay, if you want to check is 9, it's okay, and this one is 23, it's okay. Now select this line and make for construction geometry. Go to mirror entities, entities to mirror, select this line and this one, and mirror about the center line and press OK. Nice. Go to features, extruded boss base, select from here mid plane and put 24 millimeters thickness and press OK. Go to metal, chrome and plate. Let me choose plain white, please. Okay, nice. Select this face, sketch, normal tool, take circle, go from midpoint, smart dimension. The diameter will be 10 millimeters. Nice. Go to features, extruded cut, select this line and press OK. Select this face, sketch, normal tool, take center rectangle, select midpoint, let's define it, smart dimension. This is for 8 millimeters. And this one is for 40 millimeters. Okay, take center line, go to mirror entities, entities to mirror, select this center rectangle and mirror above the center line. Press OK. Go to features, extruded cut, select this line and press OK. Nice. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. See you next time.